Welcome to Gather Here. My name is Guy Tell, I'm from Bondi Harvest, and we are exploring Northern California, Point Reyes. It is rugged, it is beautiful, and it's home to some of the most forward-thinking, amazing organic farmers and providores in the whole of the US. Let's go see what we can find. Apart from a sunset like that. California has a magnetic effect on me. I'm drawn to the beautiful landscape, the friendly, warm people, and I'm in love with the area. Having spent some time in Northern California before, I'm really excited to be putting a dinner together using all these gorgeous local ingredients. Arriving at the pier with the sun sort of just glistening on the water, I knew that this is our location. I knew that it was going to take our guests' breath away. And it took my breath away. How is this for a location? The dinner table has to be here, dressed with beautiful local flowers, bottles of delicious Prophecy Cabernet Sauvignon on top. The sun's going to be setting, food's going to come out. I'm so excited. We have a gorgeous Cabernet Sauvignon from Prophecy. Cheers.
Oh, delicious.
Oh, that is really, really nice.
What do you think, mate?
I'm getting plum, I'm getting like really nice crushed raspberry.
Yeah.
And then there's some boysenberry jam in there as well.
I love the label.
Absolutely, that's stunning.
It's a good wine.
Yeah.
What do you think you might match with?
Maybe some pork, beetroots would be really nice, like a beetroot puree, to really sort of match that earthy, gorgeous sort of wine.
Some of the local sourdough could be awesome too.
Oh, yes.
I could do that all afternoon.
Cheers.
Yeah. Awesome.
My first stop is the Della Fattoria Bakery to meet Lauren, the head baker. I'm looking for some delicious sourdough bread. G'day, how you going?
Hi,
Guy.
welcome.
Lovely to meet you. So this is the bakery. Oh my God, this is beautiful.
We were one of the first bakeries in this area to do artisan bread, to do naturally leavened bread in the European style.
We're heading into the bakery. There is nothing better than fresh bread and the smell. Oh my God.
It's just very simple ingredients, flour, water, yeast, and salt, and that's it. And we use a really old-fashioned method for our cooking. We don't have a temperature dial. We use wood every night.
Does it ever go cold, or is it just constantly?
No, it's constantly relit every day.
Oh, some fresh sourdough out of the oven. It's hot. God, that smells so good.
Grapes have yeast naturally on the outside. It's why naturally yeasted bread and winemaking are a wonderful pair.
Look how much sort of air and how much has risen and just how perfect that.
Amazing, right? I gotta taste it too.
That flavour is phenomenal. That is gonna be the hero for our dining table.
It's gonna be perfect.
Oh my God.
So perfect.
My next stop is to meet Mark from Devil's Gulch Ranch. Since 1971, this sustainable farm has been providing local restaurants with high-quality meats.
Devil's Gulch Ranch is 75 acres. I've been here since 1971. You can trail ride or hike from my property here all the way to the ocean or the Golden Gate Bridge.
Wow, what a vista. This is stunning.
We try to be as sustainable as possible. We want to be able to take care of the land and be respectful of Mother Nature in all aspects, the animals and the ground and the wildlife.
They look like they are having so much fun.
Yeah.
They look about as happy as I look in the kitchen.
Yeah.
That's pretty stoked. Tell me about your pigs.
The pigs that we have are mostly Berkshire. I
Yep.
like Berkshire. They're my favorite.
Yeah.
And we feed them byproduct feeds, a brewer's grain, which is barley mixed with
So sort
milk.
of sustainable recycling.
Pigs pass through the flavor of what they eat more so than any other animal.
If you weren't so muddy, I'd pick you up and give you a cuddle.
Yeah, there you go.
After grabbing some incredible looking spare ribs for the feast, I only had one more stop to make. So these are all wild local flowers from the area as well.
Just a few miles down the road.
That is stunning, isn't it? And smell and look amazing. I think it's gonna be perfect. We're gonna match the wine, set the table up. It is our dinner day. I'm so excited. We have a lot to do. We have all this beautiful, organic, delicious produce, and I can't wait to share it right here with our new mates. Our first course is going to be the gorgeous bread from Della Fattoria, and we're going to serve that with a delicious beef tartare with a whole bunch of flavours, and then a gorgeous butter whipped up with some thyme in there and some truffle oil to spread on top of warm, crusty sourdough. There's no better way to start a meal. Yeah, that's good. Our main course is going to be Devil's Gulch, gorgeous, delicious, slow-cooked pork ribs. Are going to flake off the bone. I'm going to serve that with some charred burnt cabbage and some beetroot puree. So I'm just chopping up a basic mirepoix, which is basic veg that adds flavour to a stock or a sauce. I'm going to braise our beautiful pork ribs in that stock. Really, it's going to have the most amazing flavour. We're going to cook it in some red wine and some dates, so it's going to be like a sweet, beautiful sort of fat palate, and then it's going to match really well with the wine. We're going to add some wine in with our beetroots. You want good quality wine because that's going to impart, delicious flavour into your puree or your cooking. So, go for top quality. It makes a massive difference. So our cabbage has been charred. I'm going to throw it in the oven on a bed of herbs. So it's going to be smoky, it's going to be sweet, and it's going to have hints of those beautiful herbs coming up from below. Dinner is coming together. A little bit more to do. I'm pretty excited because it is smelling and looking absolutely gorgeous. The local flowers I got are really going to make the setting elegant. It's going to be such an amazing night. Guests are arriving. It's almost time to plate, and I am going to enjoy a gorgeous glass of Cabernet Sauvignon. Oh, life is good. How awesome is this?
Oh, wow. So beautiful. Wow.
Our gorgeous ribs, so they've been baked for about 3 hours. So there's red wine, there's dates, there's a whole bunch of other aromats and flavours in there. Our dinner here is a reflection of the area. It's a way that I can say thank you back to you. So enjoy, have a glass of wine. I'm going to get dessert ready and then come back and sit down and have a bit of cheers with you. Enjoy, make a mess. No. So that is our upside down fruit cake. Has to be one of my favourite cakes of all time. I hope they love it. Cheers, guys. Chin chin. Thank you. Here's to dessert. Cheers. Northern California and Point Reyes is so special. Thanks for watching Gather Here, guys. We've been to Italy, France, New Zealand, all the way to the States with our friends from Prophecy Wine. What an experience. Cheers. It's time to have a glass of wine and a beautiful feed.